Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you prefer typing instead of handwriting, Goodnotes lets you easily add text boxes and creates clean, organized typed notes. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to add text boxes and type notes in Goodnotes in 2026 quickly and efficiently. So first thing first, select the text tool. So open your notebook, okay, tap the text tool, which is the T icon here. This activates typing mode, okay? So create a text box, so tap anywhere on the page, okay? Like this, for example. Tap the text box like this and drag the corner to resize if you want, okay? Drag the box to move it, okay? Adjust position for better layouts. So format your text, for example. After selecting the text, change font style, adjust size, change color, bold or italic if available. Keep formatting consistent for readability, okay? So use external keyboard. So for faster typing, connect a Bluetooth keyboard, type like on a laptop. It's best for long notes, okay? You can combine text with handwriting, so Goodnotes allows both, like type main content and handwritten annotations, okay? Highlight or draw around text. So hybrid notes means powerful learning. You can duplicate text boxes for structure, okay? So select the text box, okay? Copy, and you can paste it, for example, in another place, okay? So as you can see, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.